Welcome back. This is Martin Mesa with Rate One Financial. Here we are, Mortgage Mind. Once again, we're at tip and trick number 13, entitled Getting Rid of Those Ugly Tax Liens. Okay, so first of all, what is a tax lien? And for the purpose of this video, I'm referring to IRS tax liens. IRS is the federal government. We all know that you have to pay them income tax every year. And what happens when you do not pay them what they say you owe them, they will put a lien called a tax lien on you, on your Social Security number. And that becomes public record, so to speak, and kind of is tied to your Social Security number. So anytime you go to apply for credit under your Social, whether it's for a loan, a car loan, a credit card, a mortgage to buy a house, whatever, that tax lien is going to be with you, and the IRS is going to make you pay them off in full or settle with them in full before you can get that loan, whatever you're applying for. And there's a lot of other things that a tax lien tied to you can also help or prevent you from doing certain things. So it's just not good. By the way, it kills your credit score when you have a tax lien on your credit. So what the IRS did in 2011 is they made a law that says that if you owe them less than $25,000, which a lot of times these liens are for less than $25,000, you can set up a payment plan directly with the IRS in writing. And if you get that set up with them, which oftentimes they're very willing to do with you because they'd rather get something than nothing, once you get that set up in writing, you can actually use that payment plan to get that tax lien permanently removed from your credit report. And the minute that thing gets removed from your credit, like magic, your credit score should go up, especially if it's a recent tax lien. So that's a quick way to get a huge, potentially huge improvement on your credit score by doing that. So if you have a tax lien and you owe less than $25,000, don't be afraid to contact the IRS and set up a payment plan. Even if it's 20 bucks a month, they may be willing to set something like that up. And if you can do that, chances are you can get that lien removed from your credit, and it will potentially help you tremendously in the future with your credit report and your credit score. So that's my tip and trick of the day. Hope it helps. In the video description below, there's some steps on how to get that done. And don't forget to follow, like, and share our social media. Take care. Bye.